Hello and welcome to Brandy's Poetry Corner, reading from Tell Me the Truth About Life, a National Poetry Day anthology curated by Keris Matthews. You must be getting quite good at reading things backwards by now. This is Janice Gilpin, who chose this poem, says, "Take the time to look up, look out, be aware. You might miss the sound of your own falling possum." It is called The Sound of a Falling Possum by Mark Waddell. The Sound of a Falling Possum. The man who struggled with spotting the obvious had never heard the sound of a falling possum before, and in its own kind of way it was quite beautiful before the impact, of course. He tried to resuscitate it, pumping away at its little heart and kissing those funny lips, its broken body limp in his arms. But to no avail. From then onwards, everything was sad in his life, as he couldn't get the sound of the falling possum out of his mind until, now being aware of such things, he heard the beautiful sound again and turned around just in time to catch another falling possum, this time saving its life. The man now understanding why the bridge he walked under every day was called Suicide Possum Bridge. Thank you. I think that poem is both silly and profound. I hope you liked it. For other poems read by me, look me up, Brandy Pearson, on YouTube.